Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. What you see here with this overhead cover is you have the basis of framing. So we have 1, 2, 3 posts. These are point loads. So the load across here is going to be carried down, transferred to these posts here. Now we have another piece coming across. So we have a vertical piece on top. We have this beam on top. We have the next one. So this would be considered a beam here. Now, generally with a big piece of wood like this, you're not allowed to notch something like this. So I've said it on my other videos, you have to leave the first 2 inches from the bottom, 2 inches from the top. This you can drill a small hole, and generally they'll want it in the middle. But over here, don't notch, don't drill anywhere close, because this is bearing, this is carrying the load above it. But this is a very simple example of how framing a house, or really any structure, is. You'll have vertical pieces, you'll have the next one put on top. This one now, going this way, gets put on top. This, because these are all technically exterior, these are all considered to be load bearing. If you had something on the inside, like a wall that went from here to here, this would not be load bearing. We will get into this when I come across more of it, but this is a very simple example on how to do framing. Guys, when it comes to framing, there are rules on where you can drill holes, where you cannot. You just can't do whatever you want, wherever you want, however you want, for whatever reason. And you can very quickly cause extensive damage to your structure. Guys, when it comes to framing things, be aware of exterior walls that are all load bearing, and then beams and posts and everything else that go along with it. If you're not sure, then make sure that you either research or talk to an engineer. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.